representing the Commerce faculty at Little Flower Convent Senior Secondary School, Dinanagar. Firstly, I want to congratulate our Reverend Principal, Sister Lucy, staff members and management for attaining this milestone, as now our school is affiliated with CISCE for senior secondary classes. Commerce is one of the popular stream among the students, in which students learn marketing and business activities. The main subjects in the commerce stream are accountancy, commercial studies and economics. Getting an opportunity to learn to read commerce stream is helping the students in attaining more practical knowledge and developing the analytical skills. I wish you all good luck. Thank you.
Greater, your ways are higher, oh Lord. Please show me trust in the Lord. Lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways, acknowledge Him. He'll make your path.
Hello everyone, this is Raghavan. At the outset, I'd like to congratulate Honorable Principal Sister Lucy to get honored with the Senior Secondary Affiliation for Little Flower Convent School, Dinanagar, and I'm honored to be a part of this organization as a physics faculty. Thank you so much and all the best.
The world is searching for an answer, a ray of hope in a hopeless world. Who can we turn to?
My name is Priyanka Babbar and I am your new chemistry teacher. I am passionate about my subject and educating students in my best possible way. Students, you all are free to ask as many queries you have regarding any topic of the chemistry subject. At last, I would like to give my warmest wishes to all of you on the beginning of our new academic session. Thank you, students.
The world is searching for an answer, a ray of hope in a hopeless world. Who can we turn to? Where is our rescue? There is someone, He's the answer. He's the light and He'll light the way. And He came to save us. He is the light, 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 light of the world, and He shines all over the earth, shining bright, bright, bright. He is the light of
Good morning, my dear students. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. My name is Anu, and I had been teaching mathematics from last 8 years. As you already know, with the blessings of God, the Little Flower Convent School, Dinanagar, is going to be affiliated with the Senior Secondary School now. That is a proud moment for all of us. So let's begin the new journey with the positive vibes. God bless all of you. Stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you.
shines all over the earth, shining bright, bright, bright. He is the light of the world. क्या फूल चढ़ाऊं मैं प्रभु के चरणों में, कहाँ कैसे क्या उपहार दूं, मैं समझ ना पाऊं। क्या फूल चढ़ाऊं मैं प्रभु के चरणों में, कहाँ कैसे क्या उपहार दूं, मैं समझ ना पाऊं। मुझे बता दे प्यारे प्रभु, क्या
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shilpa. For me, LFCS is not just an institution, it is a treasure loaded with knowledge and great mentors. I'm a dentist. I have completed my MDS in pediatric dentistry and I currently practice as an associate dentist. From nursery to 10th grade, that goes back to the year 2007, the journey had been so overwhelming. It is the result of the tireless efforts by our worthy principals, management, Sister Lucy, respected teachers. I wish LFCS glory, prosperity, excellence and growth. On behalf of my brother Major Tushar, who is currently serving in the Indian Army, and me, I wish LFCS all the best and it's grateful to be a part of LFCS Deenanagar. Thank you.
ये जीवन तुझको समर्पण करती हूँ मैं प्रभु तेरे लिए। मेरा ये जीवन तुझ पे समर्पण करती हूँ मैं प्रभु तेरे लिए। उसे तोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे चूड़ लाऊं।
Greetings to all of you.
I am Manav,
And I am Madhav.
the students of 2019 batch of LFCS Deenanagar.
We were ecstatic to hear about this great landmark in the legacy of our school.
Our LFCS family is expanding further by the addition of 11th and 12th classes in its arena.
And we feel incredible to know that now more and more people will get a chance to be a part of this phenomenal community.
It's a fact that our school has been providing quality education by blurring the boundaries of knowledge and morals for years.
This school is a land of opportunities, and we both were blessed to have received them in abundance.
We got a chance to represent the northern region at the ASIC National Level Debate Contest held in Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad.
It nourished our talents and capabilities as individuals so that we could lead the zonal and regional level competitions as winners and be the first ones to participate in national literary contests.
I'm sure our school will continue leading the way and spreading its light in the world.
Thanks a lot and all the best.
उसे तोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे चूड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे तोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे चूड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए।
Hey guys, this is Gagandeep Singh Sani, class of 2003 alumni, Little Rock Convent School, Deenanagar. I still remember we have to go to Gurdaspur branch to actually get our 10th grade done. I'm really excited that Deenanagar branch is getting the 11th and 12th grade. It's a huge opportunity for the whole city of Deenanagar because that's the only ICSC board school with 11th and 12th grade going to be coming in soon. I congratulate everybody, whole team, Little Flower Convent School, because it's not a individual accomplishment. It's a whole team. Go Deenanagar, Little Flower Convent School. Bye.
थाली में फल फूल लाए हैं हम प्रभु के चरणों में, उसे तोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे चूड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे तोड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए, उसे चूड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए।
This is Shiva Mehndru, a proud alumni of Little Flower Convent School, Deenanagar, passed way back in 2010. Now I am sailing as a third assistant engineer with the Japanese shipping tycoons, and I would like to thank Sister Lucy and all the management for their efforts they have already put on.
मैं समझ ना पाऊं क्या फूल चढ़ाऊं मैं प्रभु के चरणों में, कहाँ कैसे क्या उपहार दूं, मैं समझ ना पाऊं। मुझे बता दे प्यारे प्रभु क्या
all, this is Shagun Saini. I am currently pursuing a Masters in Pharmaceutics and a proud alumni of Little Flower Convent School 2014 batch. As we know that a good education lays the foundation for the better future, I am forever indebted to my parent institution and the wonderful teaching faculty for shaping and making us into whatever little we are today and hope to become someday. I would also like to congratulate the whole management on achieving this new milestone of now having senior secondary education in this school as well. I hope and pray that our LFC family continues to grow and thrive like this always. Good luck.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit while with me.
Hi, this is Gurpreet, a student of Oxford University in London, UK, being my last year in it, and I completed my 10th in 2016. And I must say that this school has given me all kind of knowledge, the power, the attitude, the blessings that I always needed in my life. Because of them, I'm here right now, and I inspire you to do something great in your life, and I assure you, this will happen for sure. Just keep walking and keep doing your walk. And thank you so much, and I'm so thankful to all of them. Congratulations to LFCS.
There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats it perfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I live a journey.
School is the basic foundation of knowledge, as it gives chance to children to acquire knowledge in the various fields of education. Hey everyone, myself Diksha. Today I am feeling so proud and delighted to congratulate Reverend Sister Principal Lucy, my dear teachers, and to all the students, as Little Flower Convent School Dinanagar has introduced +1 and +2 in various streams, and it's a great opportunity for all of us. Really, I feel myself blessed that I was a part of such a great institution, and I pray to Almighty to shower all His choicest blessings on the staff, on the school, and also on the management. Once again, heartfelt congratulations to all of you and all the very best. Thank you.
When troubles come